Happy birthday, Joni. Can't believe you're 60 myself. And for you, let's go on the run with a special message. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Said he had about 7 months, so Rocky took his lady out on the run. Doctor said he has one life to live, but he knows he has much more to give. Well, he don't know where he's going, but he's on the run. Doesn't matter where he's going, he's just on the run. Johnny's girlfriend said that he's the one, but they've only been together for 3 months. She said, I wanna spend my whole life with you. So he broke her heart clean in two. Well, he don't know where he's going, but he's on the run. Doesn't matter where he's going or what he's running from. He's on the run. He's on the run. So if you're ever feeling caught and trapped, if you've ever fallen flat on your back, I got some advice, a real cure-all. Duck and run, just take off.